Yogastha kuru karmani, sangam tyaktva dhananjaya, siddhya siddhyoho, samo bhutva, samatvam yoga uchyate. Have you ever achieved something you thought would bring you happiness, only to feel strangely empty afterward? The promotion you worked so hard for, the milestone you crossed, the recognition you desired. And yet when you finally grasp it, there's a quiet hollowness inside. Why? Because like Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, we often misunderstand the nature of fulfillment. Today, Krishna's ancient wisdom reveals why success alone cannot satisfy the soul and how to find the peace you truly seek. In the Gita, Arjuna stands victorious in battle, yet his heart is heavy. He asks Krishna, "Why do I feel no joy in my achievements?" Krishna smiles and shares a profound truth. Attachment to the fruit of action is suffering. When you tie your happiness to results, you chain yourself to an endless cycle, because no success is ever enough. The mind is like a thirsty man drinking salt water. The more it gets, the more it craves. True peace, Krishna teaches, comes not from what we gain, but from how we act, detached yet devoted, doing our duty without feverish obsession over outcomes. So how do we live this wisdom today? 3 simple steps. Shift your focus from what to how. Ask not, will this make me successful? But, am I acting with integrity, kindness, and presence? Success is a byproduct, not the goal. Practice karma yoga, work as worship. Pour your heart into your efforts, then release attachment. Whether writing an email, serving a meal, or creating art, do it as an offering. Sit with silence daily. For 5 minutes, close your eyes and breathe. Observe the thoughts that chase achievement like a child chasing bubbles. Remind yourself, I am not my successes. I am not my failures. I am the stillness behind both. The next time you feel that familiar emptiness after a win, pause. Ask yourself, was I seeking a reward or the joy of the effort itself? Krishna's voice echoes across centuries. The wise are those who see inaction in action and action in inaction. Fulfillment was never in the trophy, my friend. It was in the skill of your hands, the fire of your focus, the love in your labor. It was always within you. Now tell me in the comments, when have you felt this emptiness? And how will you choose differently next time?